Hey dog, you know if they catch you in these streets lacking, you done for. Ooh, not me. They may catch you or your mama lacking. Ain't gonna get me. I stay strapped. Nigga play me, you know I got the thing on me. Come on, bro, stop it. This is why you my dog, bro. We stay strapped. Ain't nobody finna run up on us on no nut shit. Come on, bro. You gotta put on? Put on that thing, bro. That's that splat. Got your boy looking clean out here. Hold on, let me just, hold up. Got my boy looking right, huh? They got my boy looking extra drippy right now. Let me go get a wet floor sign real quick. Hold on, let me quit playing. Let me put my mask on real quick. Oh, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Tell me why we got the same exact shirt, same visor, same mask. We got all the drip, bro. Oh, yes, indeed. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Hey dog, you see homie coughing over there? I don't know what's going on, bro. It's kind of sus though. I don't know, man. Hey, wait, here you come right now. Hold up. Hey, you guys wouldn't happen to have a glass of water? Would you? I can't seem to get rid of this cough. Hey, hold on, dog. There ain't nothing for you over here. You need to calm. Hey, yo, back up, back up, back up. Yo, this nigga really just coughed on my homeboy. Yo, was that nigga dead? Yeah, he gone. I guess he's just built different. I gotta get out of here.